Feeling sick in summer, even without a virus? You might have aircon sickness, and here's why. What mainly causes air conditioning sickness, aka summer colds? A. Cold air touching your skin. B. Catching a virus from cold surfaces. C. Sudden changes in temperature. D. Breathing in dry air. The answer will be revealed in 10 seconds. If you know the answer, drop your answer in the comments.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is C. Your body struggles to adjust from hot outdoors to cold rooms. It weakens your immune response.